Yes, my friends, welcome back to my channel, B.M.Belagali's class. Friends, we have started with coordinate geometry, and we have completed theorem 1. That theorem 1 is a distance formula. That is distance formula. What is it, my friends? Distance between the 2 points. Distance between the 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is given as square root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Either we can take what? x1 minus x2, otherwise we can take x2 minus x1. Anyway, it is what? That a distance equal to square root of difference of x coordinates the whole square plus difference of y coordinates the whole square. And we have done related examples based on distance formula. Everything we have done, my friends. After the completion of what? Distance formula as well as the based examples, next theorem number 2 is section formula. My friends, in case of distance formula, I have done the method of proof, everything we have done. See, in case of section formula, what do you mean by section? You are doing the section of a line. What do you mean by section of a line? Division of a line. You are making what? Piece of a line. Piece means division. Therefore, section we mean division. Division means there are two types of the divisions. First division, internal division of a line. That of a line I have not written. Drawn the figure here. Yes, my friends. This is AB. AB is a line. If the point P lies, yes, I mark it later. Yes, AB is a line. If the point P lies on the line AB, then we say that P divides the line AB internally in the ratio AP is to PB. Once again, my friends, if a point P lies on the line AB, then we say that the point P divides the line AB internally in the ratio AP is to PB. The same thing I have written here. If a point lies on the line AB, then we say that P divides the line AB internally in the ratio AP is to PB. Yes, see the directions, my friend. Distance AP, distance PB, they are in the same direction. See, same direction, AP and PB. The distances, since the distances AP and PB are measured in the same directions, so the ratio AP upon PB is considered as positive. Same direction means either we can take what? Both positive upon positive is positive, or we may take what? Both negative. What is negative upon negative is also what, my friends? Positive. Therefore, this is about the internal division. Remember, internal division means the point is on the line. Remember, this is one type. This is second type. This is second type. Yes, friends. See here. See. Yes. This is your line AB, my friend. This is your line AB. Here, where is your P? Outside AB. Outside means not here and there. If you produce AB, P lies there. If you produce BA, P is here. If you produce BA, P is there. If you produce AB, P is there. Then, if the point P lies either on AB produced or BA produced, either on AB produced, otherwise BA produced, then we say that the point P divides the line AB externally. This is externally in the ratio AP is to PB. Externally here, my friends. Externally in the ratio AP is to PB. External division means where is the point P? It is not on the line AB. It is where either this side produced or that side produced. It is a point on the produced, AB produced or BA produced. Yes, my friends. See the directions now. What about the AP and PB? This is AP. Where is? This is AP. This is AP. This is a direction is this AP. From A to P. Next is what? PB from P to B. Here, AP, this is AP. PB, this is PB. PB, see the directions of the lines. Opposite. Here, opposite direction. This. In this case, since the distances AP and PB are measured in opposite directions, so the ratio AP upon PB is considered as what? Negative. Why 10? If you take this as positive, automatically opposite direction means it must be negative. Then positive upon negative is negative. If you take this as negative, this as positive. Again what? Negative upon positive is negative. Therefore, in this case for the external division, sign is negative. Therefore, for the internal division, the ratio is positive. For the external division, ratio is negative. Positive and negative according as internal and external divisions. Yes, my friends. These are two types. Internal means point is always on the line. External means point lies outside. One AB produced, another is BA produced. Yes, my friends. This is made clear by this internal external plays very important role in section formula. Yes, my friends. Now I come to the direct formula. This is formula, section formula. This is the statement of the section formula. If a point P divides the line joining the points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2, internally, my friends, means P is on the line internally in the ratio m is to n, then the coordinates of this P, that P which divides AB, coordinates of P is given as mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. This is x coordinate of the point and this is y coordinate of the point. Then how to remember? I have given with a figure here. A x1 y1, B x2 y2. Internal division, P is on the line. Yes, my friend. What are the coordinates? From here to here first. M x2 second coordinates. M x2 direction is shown. Mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Next, m y2 plus n y1 upon m plus n. This either you can remember by this way, otherwise another way of remembering the same. Or P, this is the ratio m is to n. One end, another end. What are the coordinates? This. Like this first time. mx2 plus nx1. mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Then my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Either you can remember with the help of this figure or you can remember with the help of the second. First mx2, this my friend. Then what? This nx1. nx1. First mx2. mx2 plus nx1. Down is m plus n. We can remember the formula. Proof is lengthy, my friends. Just you have the examples based on this formula. Understood? Therefore, that formula is given. So remember this formula that helps you to do the examples. Yes, my friends. I give 1 minute. Copy it. 1 minute. 1 minute. Copy it. Mr. Listener. ನಾವು ಇದು ಮಾಡಕತ್ತೀವಿ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ನೋಡಿ ಇರ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನನಗೂ ಕೊಡಕತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ನಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮುಗಿಸಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನನಗೂ ಕೊಡಕತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ Yes, my friends. This is for the internal division. Next, for the external division, the sign is negative. That m upon n is minus. In that case, you would replace what? Replace plus n by minus n. Plus n by minus n. It gives what? mx2 minus nx1 upon m minus n. m y2 minus n y1 upon m minus n. What is this? For the external division. For the external division, sign is ratio is negative. That ratio is what? M upon n. AP is m. See here. This AP is m. PB is n. Then what is AP upon PB? AP upon PB is m upon n. When it is m upon n is negative means the value of you have to replace for plus n by minus n. Yes, my friends. Yes. Friends, for the external division, if P divides AB, P divides the line joining joining A with x1, y1 and B x2, y2. x2, y2 externally in the ratio m is to n, then coordinates of P equal to, yes my friends, external means sign is negative. It is mx2 minus nx1 here. That plus sign is minus here upon m minus n. Same, instead of x1, y1 here it is y2 and y1. m y2 minus n y1 upon m minus n. This is for what? External division. Next comes midpoint. Third, this is midpoint formula. If P is the midpoint of the line AB, then coordinates of P yes friend, midpoint means what? This is your line AB. This is line AB. P is the midpoint. Means what? Either m equal to n, both are same. Midpoint means what? AP equal to PB. AP equal to PB means m equal to n. If you put m equal to n here in the external division, m is n, my friend. M is n. What is it? N is common. If you take n common, x2 plus x1 upon 2m, m cancels. Once again, what is this? M is n. N is common. Otherwise, I do here. Yes. M equal to n. Then coordinates of P. See, friend. M equal to n means it is what? nx2 plus nx1. Why? M is n. Down is m is n plus n. Same. It is m is n. ny2 plus ny1 upon m is n plus n. C equal to n is common. x2 plus x1. Denominator is n plus n. What is it? N is common. y2 plus y1 upon 2n. Friend, n cancels. So, you are left with x2 plus x1. I write it as what? x1 plus x2 upon 2. y1 plus y2 plus y1, I write it as what? y1 plus y2 upon. Therefore, what is the midpoint? Midpoint of a line joining the 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2. Add x coordinates divided by 2, comma, add y coordinates divided by 2. My friends, this is known as midpoint formula. If P is the midpoint of the line joining the points x1, y1, this end is x1, y1. This end is x2, y2. See, what are the coordinates? Then add the x coordinates. x1 plus x2 upon 2. y1 plus y2 upon 2. Add x coordinates divided by 2 and add y coordinates divided by 2. Yes, my friends, these are 3 formulae. One is internal. This is internal. What is it? Same figure. mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. my2 plus ny1 upon m plus m. My friends, if it is external division here, instead of plus you have to take minus. Down also instead of plus you have to take minus. And what about the midpoint formula? Add x coordinates divided by 2, comma, add y coordinates divided by 2. These are three formulae that you have under what, my friends? Section formula. Section formula. Yes, my friends, 1 minute, copy it. I do the examples based on this. Examples based on this. Yes, friends, I do examples. Remember, either this figure, first to second coordinates, second ratio to first coordinates, mx2 plus nx1 is internal, minus nx1 is external, x1 plus x2 upon 2 is midpoint. Yes, it is easy to remember. Yes, my friends, remember. This is for the midpoint formula. Midpoint means what? M equal to n. By putting m equal to n, simplifying, you get this. Simplifying, you get this. Yes, friends. Examples. Now the exercise is 7.2. Exercise is 7.2. Exercise 7.2. Examples from this, my friends. 7.2. Find the coordinates of the point. Find the coordinates. Coordinates of the point. Of the point which divides the line joining the points minus 1 comma 7 and 4 comma minus 3. 4 comma minus 3 internally in the ratio in the ratio 2:3. 2:3. Yes, my friends. If you wanted with that figure, for one example, I go with this figure. What is this? My friend, this is B. What are the coordinates? 4 minus 3. A. What is the coordinates? Minus 1, 7. Internal division 2:3. This is small. This is big. It is 2:3. Yes. Tell coordinates of this P, point P. Coordinates of P. Coordinates of P. Yes. This man, mx2 2 into 4, 8, plus nx1, 3 into minus 1, denominator for internal is 2 plus 3, comma. Then my2, 2 into minus 3, plus 3 into 7 plus 21. Denominator is what? 2 plus 3. The rest you have to simplify it. Equal to 8 minus 3, 2 plus 3. 21 minus 16, 15 upon 5. Yes, my friend, this is 1 comma 3. 1 comma 3. Yes, next example. Next example. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line joining the points, my friend, this is 4 comma minus 3 and 8 comma 5. 8 comma 5. In the ratio is, my friends, 3:1. Ratio 3:1. Yes. This is with the help of one figure. If you wanted another figure, I give that also. Whichever you feel convenient, you use it. I do this for in the ratio 3:1, internally as well as externally. Internally as well as externally. I write both this. Yes, my friends, this is the figure. This is your point P. What is the ratio? M is to N. M is 3:1. Yes, correct. This is one coordinates. First, second to here. This is coordinates are what? First is 4 minus 3. Say this is A. From here, my friends, this is B. What are the coordinates? Second coordinates 8, 5. 8, 5. Hope understood. Your friend P, given ratio 3:1. This is first point, this is second point. Always from first to second, this. Next from second to first, my friends. So, coordinates of P. See, mx2 here. 3 into 8. 3 into 8 is 24. Internal means plus. First internal division. Internal means first, plus. Next, mx1, 1 into 4. 1 into 4 is plus 4. Down is m plus n, 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1, comma. Next, my2, this, my friend. 3 into y2 means y coordinates. 15, y with y coordinates, plus. This is 1 into minus 3, y coordinates. This is 1 into minus 3. Down is 3 plus 1. Simplified. 28 upon 4. It is 12 upon 4. See, my friend. 28 upon 4 means 7. 12 upon 4 means 3. These are the coordinates when, tell my friend, when it is internal division. Second, the same with external division. External division. Coordinates of P. Yes, external means minus. See, my friend. First, mx2, 3 into 8 is 24, minus n into x1, 1 into 4, minus 4. Down is m minus n, 3 minus 1, comma. My2, y coordinates means respective y coordinates. My2, 15, minus ny1, minus 3. This is minus 3. Denominator is 3 minus 1. See, my friend. It is 24 minus 4. 3 minus 1. 15 plus 3. 15 plus 3 is 18 upon 2. What is it? My friend, it is 10, 9. 10, 9. This is external division. For the external, minus, remember. For the internal, plus, remember. Both plus here, both above as well as down minus. Hope it is clear, my friends. This is for the internal, this is for the external. Either we can go by this cross, otherwise with this, my friends. AP. If it is P, this is M is to like this. MX2, NX1 like this. Yes, my friends. One example I do with midpoint formula. Midpoint formula. Right. Find the midpoint of the line. Find the coordinates of the midpoint. Find the coordinates of the midpoint. Midpoint of the line. Line joining the points. Joining the points. First 2, 3 and second 6, minus 8. 6, minus 8. 10. Coordinates of the midpoint. Midpoint, tell my friends. Add x coordinates. 2 plus 6 upon 2. Add y coordinates. 3 plus minus 8. Down is 2. What is this, my friend? 2 plus 6, 8 by 2. 3 minus 8 means it is minus 5 by 2. Simplify 4, minus 5 by 2. These are the coordinates of what? Midpoint. Midpoint. Good example of what? 1 mark questions. This section formula, they are good examples under 2 mark question. 2 mark question. Yes, my friends. Next, copy it. Next is we know that x coordinate of a point, x coordinate of a point is known as abscissa of the point. Another name, abscissa. Abscissa of a point, my friends. Abscissa means x coordinate of the point. Second, y coordinate of the point. Y coordinate of a point or of the point is what? This y coordinate is known as ordinate. Ordinate of a point. So, x coordinate is abscissa, y coordinate is ordinate of a point. Sometimes the examiners may ask this as find Find the axis of the point. Axis of the point which divides the line joining the points -2, -5 and -6, 7 internally in the ratio 3:5. 3:5. In this case, you wanted abscissa means what, my friends? Only x coordinate. Abscissa means x coordinate. Yes. If you wanted, you have that figure. My friend, this is B. What is the ratio? 3:5. What is the first point? First point is -2, -5. What is the second point? Second point is -6, 7. Yes. First, this. You wanted abscissa means x coordinates. Abscissa means wanted x coordinate. Abscissa of a point. Abscissa of a point. Yes, my friend, equal to. No bracket. Only wanted one value. mx2. 3 into -6 -18 plus 5 into -2 -10 upon internal division means what? 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5. Simplify. It is -18 -10. -18 -10 upon 8. What is it? It is -28 upon 8. Which is -7/2. 4 into 2, 4 into 7, -7/2. 7/2. Yes, my friend. If you wanted one more, I give with what? Ordinate. Right. Second example. These are good examples of what? 1 mark question, 1 mark. Abscissa. They never mention what in this case. X coordinate. They mention it as what? Abscissa. Second example. Find the ordinate. Find the ordinate. Ordinate of a point which divides the line joining the points. Yes, my friend. -1, 4 and 2, -7 externally in the ratio this is 5:3. In the ratio 5:3. This is ordinate of the point. Ordinate means y coordinate, my friends. Yes, same. If you wanted this figure, otherwise you go for this line. This is AB. Otherwise you go for what? That another figure. Otherwise you have to mark that point outside. Yes, and this is the point P. What is the ratio? 5:3. What is this end? This end is A. Its coordinates are -1, 4. What about another end? This is B. This end is A. What is this B? B is 2, -7. Yes, you wanted ordinate first. First. Ordinate means what? Y coordinates. This is with Y coordinates. Yes. Ordinate of a point. Ordinate of a point P equal to. Yes. My2. 5 into -7. Minus here. Why? External division, my friends. External. External means this is minus. ny1. 3 into 4 is 12. 12. Denominator. Difference. What is the difference? M minus n. 5 minus 3. It is minus. What is it? 35. It is minus 47. Minus 47 upon 2. That will be the answer. 5. Doesn't cancel. Doesn't cancel. This is how the examiners sometimes they may go with what? Taking this abscissa and ordinate of a point, they may construct. These comes under, my friends, 1 mark questions. 1 mark questions. This is the method. Abscissa means only x coordinate. Ordinate means only y coordinates. Yes, my friends. My friends. Next is I hope copied. Abscissa ordinate. Abscissa ordinate. Yes. Next example, friend. Find the coordinates of the points of intersection. Points of trisection. Tri means 3 times. Trisection of the line segment. Of the line segment joining the points. Joining the points 4 minus 1 and minus 2 minus 3. Yes, my friends, in this case, so to find trisection of the line. Trisection means 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts. Yes, friends. This is the line A. Coordinates are 4, minus 1. It is the point B. Second point. Coordinates are. It is minus 2, minus 3. Trisection means you have to divide equally 2 parts. Let P and Q. Let P and Q are the points on the line AB internal, such that AP equal to PQ equal to QB. Yes, my friends. Let P and Q are the points on the line AB such that AP equal to PQ equal to QB equal to 1 unit. Then my friends tell, AP is 1. What is AQ? 1 plus 1, 2. What is PB? 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. Yes, my friend. First one, P divides AB. Understood internal. In the ratio, tell what is the ratio here? In the ratio, AP is to PB. AP is to PB. What is AP? 1. What is PB? 1 plus 1. PB is 1 plus 1 means 2. Yes, my friends. This is your P. What is the ratio? 1 is to 2. What is the first point there? It is 4 comma minus 1. What is the second point? Minus 2 comma minus 3. First one. This is next. Yes, coordinates of P. Right, my friends. mx2 minus 2 plus nx1 2 into 4 is 8. Down is m plus n 1 plus 2. Next. y2 is minus 3. 1 into minus 3 plus. Yes. 2 into minus 1. Denominator is 1 plus 2. Yes, my friend. Simplify it. 6 by 3. Minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5 upon 3. It is 2 comma minus 5 by 3. These are the coordinates of the first point P. Next, second, my friend, Q. Second, Q. Q divides AB. That is understood internally in the ratio. Q is here, my friend. AQ is to QB. Tell. What is AQ? My friends, these are 1, 1. This is 1, this is 1, this is 1. They are equal. AQ means what? 1 plus 1, 2. QB is 1. Just like previous. Yes. It is your point Q. Write the ratio 2 is to 1. Write the first point. What is it? A. What about its coordinates? A is 4 minus 1. My friend, this is B. What are the coordinates? Minus 2, minus 3. Write the coordinates of Q. mx2, 2 minus 2 plus 1 plus 4. Denominator 2 plus 1. Yes, my friend. 2 into minus 3, minus 6 plus 1 into minus 1. Y coordinates you have to consider. 1 into minus 1. This is minus 1. Denominator is 2 plus 1. Simplify it. 0 by 3. This is minus 7 comma 3. So what is the answer? 0 comma minus 7 by 3. Therefore, my friends, Your required points are, tell. The first one is 2 comma minus 5 by 3. Minus 5 by 3. What about the second? 0 comma minus 7 by 3. These are the required points, my friends. My friends.
7.
Yes. Yes, my friends. Yes. Yes, my friend. Trisection means 3. There I do one more example where you have to divide 4 times. 4 times. Yes, friend. Yes. Find the coordinates. Coordinates of the points which divide the line segment. Which divide the line segment. Line segment joining the points. Joining the points A minus 2 comma 2, B 2 comma 8 into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. Yes, my friends. Here the friend is given. This is AB. A. What are the coordinates of A? Minus 2 comma 2. Yes, what is B? B is given as 2 comma 8. My friends, remember here you want to make it as a 4. 4. What is first? You can take PQR with what? 1 equal 1 1 1 1. That is one method. But in this case you have one advantage. You take what first? C is the midpoint. C is the midpoint of what? If. Let first. C is the midpoint. Midpoint of AB. Then what are the coordinates of C? Tell. Midpoint. Add x coordinates. Minus 2 plus 2. Down is 2. 2 plus 8. Down is 2. What is this then? 0 by 2. This is 10 by 2. Then my friends, if you simplify, C is 0 comma 5. C is 0 comma 5. You wanted 4. If you take the midpoint, it is 2 parts. 1, 2. If you take the midpoint of this, 3, 4. Yes. You take what? D is the midpoint of AC and E is the midpoint of CB. Yes. Next is second, this is first point. This is first point, second. Let D be the midpoint. D be the midpoint. Midpoint of my friend AC. Then coordinates of D. Yes. What are the coordinates of D? Tell my friend. Add x coordinates. -2 plus 0. Plus 0 upon 2. Add y coordinates. 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 upon 2. Simplify it. It is -2 by 2. 7 by 2. What is it? -1 comma 7 by 2. Oh, understood. Third, my friend. Tell, what is third? E. What is E? E be the midpoint of CB. Let E be the midpoint. Midpoint of CB. Then coordinates of E. Tell friend. E, add x coordinates. 0 plus 2 upon 2. 0 plus 2 upon 2. Add y coordinates. 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8 upon 2. Simplify. 2 by 2, comma 13 by 2. What is the answer? So it is 1 comma 13 by 2. Tell what are the required points, my friends. 1, 2, 3. These are the required points. Therefore, required points. Points are first D with coordinates -1, comma 7 by 2. Next is C, this point 0, 5. Next is this point E. What are the coordinates? 1, comma 13 by 2. In this case, my friend, instead of making use of what? Section formula, internal division formula, with the help of what? Midpoint formula, we can get what? The coordinates where you have made what? The line AB into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. Yes, my friends, this is enough today. Few more examples, I do it in the next class. Till then, my friends, yes, namaste, namaskara, yes, namashinnam. My friends, before coming to the next, just you see it at come, see it. Yes, thank you very much. Thank you very much.